गुड इवनिंग गाइस, कैसे हो सभी लोग। तो दोस्तों, आप लोगों का स्वागत है। आई वेलकम यू ऑल ऑन इंडिया लार्जेस्ट ऑनलाइन ई लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म दैट इज Gradeup गाइस. So first tell me guys, I'm perfectly audible as well as visible to all of you. Then we will start our session guys in a quickest manner. Tell me guys, I'm perfectly audible. I'm perfectly audible guys. Tell me quickly. Hi Aarti, how are you? कैसे हो? Okay guys, धीरे धीरे बच्चे आ रहे हैं. Okay. So guys, today we will solve the different kind of questions of engineering mechanics, and no doubt you will love this session guys, because I have put a lot of different questions over here. So let's begin this session guys. Let's begin this session. So guys, my name is Krishna Yadav. You can follow me on Gradeup app also guys. Just you have to click the link below which is given in the description box, and you can follow me on Gradeup profile. So guys, I have 8-year teaching experience in this particular field. I have done my masters from IIT Roorkee. I mentored almost 14,000 plus students for these examination. और मेरी जो एरिया ऑफ एक्सपर्टाइज है बच्चों, एनवायरमेंटल इंजीनियरिंग, स्ट्रक्चर, आरसीसी एंड इंजीनियरिंग मैकेनिक्स. हेलो माधव, यस सर, ठीक है जी, सुपर. सो गाइस, आई विल शो यू द क्वेश्चंस व्हिच आर वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. आई होप आपने कभी सॉल्व ना करे हो सकता है, बट डेफिनेटली यू विल लव दिस सेशन गाइस. So if you don't know about the all India mock test guys, so you have to register today itself guys. Just it is free for all. You can give the all India mock test for gate 2021 on our Gradeup app guys. So it is to be conducted on 31st January. So be ready for that guys, and you will get your AIR as well as you can check the detailed solution over there. Okay ji? As well as guys, I want to tell you one thing more. You can subscribe our platform which is Gradeup Super, in which you will get a big discount guys, because this is a big Republic sale, and you will get the flat 40% off plus extra 32% off on the live courses. Just you have to apply this particular code, that is RDay72. Okay. So guys, this is the first question, which is a very very beautiful question. Just read it once, एक बार इसे पढ़ लीजिए. Then I will solve it guys. Then I will solve it. And please hit the like button as well as share the session so that maximum student get benefit from it. This is a very different kind of question. Very very different kind of question guys. And these type of question you may face in examination. ठीक है जी? Read it once. एक बार इसे read कर लीजिए फटाफट. Sonu, good evening. How are you? The first question of session guys, and it is a very beautiful question. Very very beautiful question. The concept of static is to be applied over here. Done? ठीक है जी. So let's begin this particular problem guys. इसको हम start करते हैं solve करना. Let's start the solution over here. The pole AB shown in the picture is totally 15 meter long and has a uniform distributed mass of 150 kg. Okay sir. It is supported at both the ends on the smooth walls. This one is guys smooth. This one is what? Smooth wall. And this one is also smooth wall. And definitely both the ends are free ends which are connected to the this particular surface, right? So guys, this one is what? Smooth wall. यहाँ पे mention है कि ये wall कैसा है बच्चों? It is a smooth one. So it means friction coefficient is equal to how much? It is equal to 0. So this one is, so distance given as 12 meter. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Shubhajit. This is a smooth wall, right? This one is also a smooth wall. This one is pole AB, right? This one is A and B. And this particular distance has to be given as 15 meter. This one is pole, right? Which is hanged at this particular location, guys. And it is supported on the smooth wall. ये यहाँ पर smooth wall पे supported है, right? Now what they are asking, guys, what is the magnitude of reaction at A? You have to find the support reaction, which is nothing as, guys, normal reaction over here, because you know that this one is what? Free end, and it is supported on a smooth wall. So it contains only one reaction, which is to be known as normal reaction. And we have to find that normal reaction over here. Okay, sir. Now you have to take the value of gravitational constant, which is G over here, guys, which is generally taken as 10 over here. Mark the option that is closest to your answer. You have to mark the option which is closest to your answer, guys. And these are the options which is given to us. Now, guys, what we have to do? We have to first draw the FBD for this particular pole. ठीक है जी, इस पोल का FBD आपको ड्रॉ करना होगा. Now it is to be look like this, guys. This is our FBD. It is to be look like this. We know that, guys, this is a cable which is trying to hang this particular pole about this particular point, which is at a distance of 5 meter on an inclined direction. So let's put the tension force over here. This one is, guys, tension. And we know that a normal reaction is to be there, which is to be at joint A in this way. This is our normal reaction at A. This one is the normal reaction at B. Okay, sir. Now, as per the question, guys, as per the question, your mass of this particular rod is to be uniformly distributed, whose weight is equal to how much? 150 kg. Okay, sir. Now, you know that, guys, if you want to make a UDL over it, so how we can make it? If you want to make a UDL over it, how we can make it, guys? Just you have to find the weight, that is total weight, 150 into total length, which is 15 over here, and divide it. Just you have to find the total weight over here, guys, by multiplying the 10 over here, 150 into 10, and divided by the total length of the rod. Then you are able to find out the intensity of UDL. Okay, sir. So let's do it, guys. So what will be the intensity of UDL? Intensity of UDL. Intensity of UDL. Can I write it, guys? It is 150, which is the mass which is given to us, and just you have to multiply with the 10 over here so that we can convert it into the Newton part, and divided by how much? 15. So it is converted into Newton per meter. Newton per meter. How much it is, guys? It is equal to 100 Newton per meter. Now this is the UDL, guys, which is to be placed in place of mass of your rod, which is given to us. So you can place a UDL in this manner. You can place a UDL in this manner. Okay, sir. Now this is our UDL, guys. Okay. It is nothing as, guys, it is representing the total weight of the rod in terms of UDL, or uniformly distributed load. Now you know that, guys, this particular mass is to be applied at the centroid. Centroid of what? Centroid of the length of the rod. So this one is equal to how much? It is 5 meter, guys, and this one is equal to how much? 10 meter. So let's place the weight over here. Let us consider this particular weight is W over here, guys, and this weight is to be at a distance of how much? Can I say that, guys, this particular distance is equal to 6 meter? Definitely, it is equal to 6 meter. But what about this one, guys? It is equal to 7.5 meter. ये कितना होगा? This one is equal to 7.5 meter. ये कितना हो जाएगा जी? 7.5 meter. Okay, sir. Now, guys, this is the concept. This is the FBD of this particular structure. Now, first of all, we have to apply the static equilibrium equation over here, because we have to find the tension force over here, guys, first. Okay, sir. How we can find it, sir? How we can find it? Just we have to use the summation Fy is equal to 0. Simple. And now what is the total weight over here? Can I write it? It is equal to 150 into 10. So it is equal to 1500 Newton. Okay, sir. So let's write summation Fy is equal to 0 by using the static equilibrium equation. गुड इवनिंग रोहन, हाउ आर यू? शुभा जी, हाँ जी ठीक है जी, डिस्टेंस 12 मीटर ही है. Static equilibrium equation, can I write it guys? Summation Fy is equal to 0. Summation Fy is equal to 0. So can we write it guys? This one is nothing as T minus W and it should be equal to 0. I have just converted this UDL into the point load. I have just converted this particular UDL in terms of point load and it is to be placed at the centroid of the rod itself, which is at a distance of 7.5 meter from a joint A or from a point A guys. Okay, because the total length is what? 15 meter and definitely the centroid will lie at the center only, which is equal to 7.5 meter in the inclined direction. If you talk about the horizontal direction, it is equal to 6 meter. So guys, T minus W. So can I write it? T is equal to how much? It is equal to W and it is equal to how much? It is equal to 1500 Newton. Okay, sir. So this one is our tension guys, which is to be present in this particular cable, which is trying to hang this particular rod in the vertical direction. Okay. Now guys, what we have to find? We have to find the magnitude of reaction force at A. So guys, can we take the summation of moment at this particular point is equal to 0? Yes, sir. So if you want to take the moment about point B, you need to find the distance over there. यहाँ पे ये distances find करना पड़ेंगे. And we know that this particular distance is equal to how much? It is equal to 12 meter. ये कितना दिया हुआ है जी? 12 meter. And what is this distance guys? This one is equal to how much? This one is equal to how much? 15 meter. Now you know that guys, inclined distance is 15 meter, horizontal distance is 12 meter. So what will be the vertical one? This one guys. We can calculate it. It is very, very simple. Let's write h over here. Let's write h over here. So can I write it? H is equal to under root of 15 square minus 12 square. By using Pythagoras, you are able to solve it. How much it is? It is equal to 9 meter, right? 9 meter. So this one is equal to guys 9 meter over here. Okay, sir. Now, just take the moment about point B over here. Just take the moment about point B. Summation of moment at point B is equal to 0. Okay, sir. Let's do it. So can I write it? Summation moment at point B is equal to 0. है ना जी? Summation moment at point B is equal to 0. So can I write it? This NA is trying to rotate in anti-clockwise direction. So it is negative moment. So minus NA into how much? It is 9 meter guys. This one perpendicular distance and this is your force. If we talk about T1 guys or T force over here, it is present at a distance of what? 5 meter on the inclined direction. Now you know that guys, this particular distance is 15 meter, this particular distance is 12 meter and this one is 9. This one is what? 9 meter. Okay, sir. Now let us suppose guys, if we have to find this particular one also, this particular distance and this distance, how we can find it? By using the angle, and it is very, very simple. Guys, what is this one? What is this one guys? ये triangle कैसा है? देखो इसको. You are able to understand it. This one is what? 15 meter. This one is what? 9 meter. This one is what? 12 meter. If you divide all the values by 3, then you will get the value of 534. Are ji? Just divide this 15 meter by 3. So you will get 5 meter over here. Yes. If you divide this particular value by 3, then we will get 3 meter over here. At this particular point, we will get the 4 meter. So it is nothing as guys, this one is what? 3 meter and this one is how much? 4 meter over here. Okay, sir. Now we know that this particular distance is equal to how much? ये distance कितना होगा? This particular distance is equal to 4 meter. ये 4 meter हो गया and this one is 3 meter. Okay, sir. Now let's write the equation of summation MB is equal to 0. है ना जी? Good evening वर्षा, how are you? आते जाओ. श्वासत बोल रहे हैं सर D होगा. अच्छा जी, श्वासत देखते हैं D कैसे होगा. So guys, we have to take the summation moment at B is equal to 0, right? Summation moment at B is equal to 0. So NA into 9, then T into how much? We have to calculate this distance, guys. We have to calculate this distance. This one. So total is 4. Sorry, this one is 4 and the total is 12, then remaining one is how much? It is 8 meter. This one is 8 meter, guys. भाई total कितना है? Your total distance is 12 meter. This one is 4 meter. So remaining is equal to how much? 8 meters. So can I write it, guys? It is plus t into 8 meter minus. Now your self weight of this particular rod is to be applied in the downward direction, and it is trying to move in anti-clockwise direction, guys. So this particular distance is equal to how much? It is exactly 6 meter in the term of horizontal, right? So can I write it, guys? T into 8 minus W into how much? 6, and it should be equal to 0. So guys, can I write it? Minus of NA into 9 plus, what is the value of T? It is equal to 1500. So 1500 into 8 minus again 1500 into 6, and it's equal to how much? 0. So can I write it? NA is equal to how much, guys? NA को calculate कर लीजिए, you will get the answer. Good evening, civil engineer. आते जाए बच्चों, आते जाए. And please hit the like button if you like the questions as well as the concept. So guys, we are getting a value of 333.33 Newton, and this is the answer, which is nothing as our normal reaction at support A. है ना जी? A पर ये reaction मिल रही है, so C is the correct answer, and it is a very beautiful question, guys. It may asked in your gate examination. है ना जी? बढ़िया question था. Tell me, guys, yes or no? शौशत ने पहले डी बोला, फिर सी बोल दिया. चलो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. It's a very good question, guys. It's a very good question. Okay, चलिए जी. Now let's move to the next question, guys. Let's move to the next question. It is a not type question, which is a numerical answer type question. Are you able to see this figure? This is a hammer, guys. This is a hammer. This is a hammer which is located in this direction, and this is the block, guys, which is nothing as supporting block over here, by which we are able to pull out the nail over here, guys. Right? Okay, this is supporting block. Okay, Shubhajit, देखिए जी. Wait a minute. Let me show you. No problem, guys. You can see here. This is the complete solution over here. Next page, this one. Okay, guys. So let's move to the next question. This is the next question which we have to solve. Guys. So it is given to us, guys. This one is equal to how much? It is equal to 4 centimeter. ये हमें क्या दिया हुआ है बच्चों? It is equal to how much? 4 centimeter. This one is 4 centimeter. And this is the hammer which is placed against this particular block to pull out this particular nail. है ना जी? To pull out this particular nail which is embedded into this particular surface. Right? इस surface में वो put है. Okay, sir. Now there is one force, guys, which is to be applied in this manner. ये इस manner में लग रहा है जी. ऐसा. Right? Which is 200, and the distance of this particular contact surface with this particular force is equal to 20 centimeter, and this distance is equal to 5 centimeter. Now what they are asking, guys, the tension in the nail and enter a numeric value in Newton is, and this is a very beautiful question which is a one liner question. ये 1 mark में आपसे पूछा जा सकता है. So tell me the answer, guys, for this one. Just solve it by yourself. I'm giving you sufficient time, guys, and it is a very, very beautiful question. Just try it. And again, guys, this is nothing as this is your problem which is based on the static condition itself, and it is a numerical answer type problem. You have to just find the tension which is to be developed in the nail. Angle. Okay, let me tell you. This angle is equal to 20 degree. Let me tell you. This particular figure is made by hand, guys. That's why it has to be like this. No problem. I will tell you each and every numeric value over here. It is 200 Newton. It is 200 Newton. This one is 20 centimeter. This particular angle with respect to this particular axis, this one axis, guys, this angle is to be 20 degree over here. ये angle कितना है जी? 20 degree. This one is equal to 20 degree. Okay, sir. Now this particular distance is equal to 5 centimeter. ये कितना है जी? 5 centimeter है. Now clear अभिषेक? अब दिख रहा है ना जी? चलिए. So just solve it, guys, and tell me the answer, because it is a different kind of question which is based on the static condition. Just you have to apply the static equilibrium equation over here to answer this question. Any one of you who got the answer? कोई भी बच्चों जिसका आंसर आ गया हो? Challenge your concept, guys. Challenge your concept. $68.4. श्वासत कह रहे हैं सर 800. Okay. Very good, guys. Very good. Very good. Very good. We'll check it, guys. No problem. Okay, guys. So let me tell you. It is a very, very simple question, but it is a very, very interesting. I will make one more question, guys, which is based on this concept, and we will try to understand it. Again, that is the condition of static only. Okay. So let me take one picture of it first. Let me take one picture of it. एक पिक्चर ले लेते हैं इसका जी, है ना? फिर इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. Then we will solve it. Okay, guys. Now this is the figure, guys, in which we have to find out the tension force over here. Okay. Now you can see here, guys, this is the tension which is applied in the downward direction, right? This is the tension which is applied in the downward direction itself, because you're trying to pull out this particular nail. So your nail is trying to give a tension force in the downward direction. Why it is so? Because of the friction which is present between the nail and the surface, whatever surface in which this particular nail is to be embedded, right? So guys, it is trying to give a tension force in the downward direction, because we are considering this particular nail and the hammer as a single object. Okay. Okay, sir. So this one is what? This one is tension force, guys. This one is what? This one is tension force. And the distance of this particular force from this particular point of contact is what? It is equal to 5 centimeter. ये कितना distance है बच्चा? This is equal to 5 centimeter. This one is equal to 5 centimeter. And this distance is equal to how much? 20 centimeter. Now guys, we can take the summation of moment about this particular point, which is nothing as, let us suppose this is our point A. So can I say that, guys, the summation of moment about point A is equal to how much? It is equal to 0. So can I write it? It is 200 into 20, 200 into 20 minus T into 5, and it is equal to how much? 0. Simple. So guys, what will be the value of tension force over here? T is equal to how much? So 200 into 20 divided by 5. We are getting a value of 800 Newton. 800 Newton is to be tension force which is to be present in the nail. है ना जी? और I think Shwashat gave the correct answer. Shwashat ने सही आंसर दिया था जी. Right? Shwashat आपने आंसर सही दिया था. Okay guys. Now let's move to the next question which is based on the same problem guys. Which is based on the same problem. It is a MCQ type problem guys. It is a MCQ type problem. So consider the previous question. You have to consider the previous question. What is the magnitude of force between the head of the hammer and the block? So guys, again we have to take that figure. हम इसी figure को ले लेते हैं and let's understand. Let's take the same figure. Okay. Now you can see it guys. This is nothing as this is your tension force which is to be applied over here, and this is our surface of block which is to be contact with the hammer head. Now you have to apply the reaction over here like this one guys. Let us suppose this is your VA. This one is what? VA. And one more reaction is to be there which is in horizontal direction, and it is to be what? HA. This one is HA. Now as per the question, we have to find the resultant value over here guys, which is nothing as RA. हमें find क्या करना है जी? हमें RA find करना है. This one. We have to find the RA over here. How we can find it? It is very simple. You have to take the component of this particular 200 Newton in two direction. One is vertical one and second one is horizontal. So guys, this particular angle is equal to how much? It is 20 degree. So remaining will be what? 70, and this one is what? Again 20. So this particular angle is equal to how much? It is 20 degree. So can I say that guys, this particular force is to be 200 cos 20 degree, and this one is equal to 200 sin 20 degree. Okay sir. Now just we have to take the summation of forces over here. So can I write it guys? Summation Fx is equal to 0. So it is equal to how much? Plus 200 cos 20 degree minus HA is equal to 0. So what is the value of HA over here? HA का value क्या होगा? So there will be no reaction due to support. Arey Subhaji, there will be a reaction. There will be reactions. You have two reactions over here in this case also, but they will not produce any moment with respect to A point. That's why I am not considering any reaction over here. But still guys, we can take these two reactions, but they are not producing any moment with respect to point A because they are congruent in nature. But while taking the summation Fx and summation Fy force guys, you have to consider the HA as well as VA over here. Okay ji? Okay sir. Now guys, HA is equal to 200 cos 20 degree. So just solve it to find out the value of HA over here. कितना आ गया जी? HA का value 200 cos 20 degree. So guys, we are getting a value of 187.93 Newton, and this is our HA. This is our HA. Now let's find VA guys. So summation Fy is equal to 0. So can I write it 200 sin 20 degree plus VA minus T, and it is equal to how much? 0. So can I write it guys? VA is equal to T minus 200 sin 20 degree. ये लिख सकते हैं जी. So what is the value of T over here? It is equal to 800. We have already found it. And this one is equal to 200 sin 20. Right? Just find the value of V over here. VA कितना आया जी? And please hit the like button guys if you like the session. So 731.6 Newton. This is the value of VA guys. ये किसका value है? VA का. And this value is for HA. So guys, we have to find this resultant reaction. We have to just find the resultant reaction over here. How we can find it? It is very easy. You have to write RA is equal to under root of VA square plus HA square. Simple. You will get the answer. Under root of 187.93 square plus 731.6 square. So how much we are getting guys? It is equal to 755.35 Newton. And this is the value of RA. यही value किसका है बच्चा? RA का. And this is the correct answer. 755.35. Now let's check it, guys. 755. So which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct answer? It is D. D is the correct answer over here. है ना जी? D सही हो जाएगा. D is the correct answer. 755. And this is the magnitude of force between the head of hammer and the block. इसका पीडीएफ अर्पित जी, इसका पीडीएफ तो लेना पड़ेगा क्योंकि क्वेश्चन अच्छे हैं, है ना जी? ओके, आई विल शेयर. कहां पे शेयर कर सकते हैं जी? चलिए अभी देखते हैं, बताता हूं मैं आपको हाउ यू कैन गेट दिस पीडीएफ गाइस. आई विल टेल यू, और यू कैन मेल मी गाइस. यू कैन मेल मी ऑन दिस मेल आईडी krishna.yadav@gradeup.co. gradeup.co. Just mail me guys. I will share the PDF also. Okay. चलिए जी, next question guys. Next question. This is a MSQ type question. So Telegram. Telegram, you will get the PDF on Gradeup Civil Champion. If you want, I will put the PDF on that particular channel if you want. So just join the Gradeup Civil Champion. I think there is link already given in the description box, guys. Let me tell you yes or no. Yes, you can join the Gradeup Gate exam Telegram channel, guys, in which you will get the update of the videos, as well as I will share the PDF over there. Okay, मैं वहां पे PDF भी share कर दूंगा. Just join the Telegram group, which is given in the description box itself. Okay जी, and please hit the like button. Don't forget it. If you like the question, because I am designing the question for you guys. So tell me the answer of this one, guys. This is a very beautiful question. Again, it is a beautiful question. Consider the truss below. Check all the answer that apply. More than one answer may or may not be correct. Okay, Yavar, I will attach it. Okay, Shikha, मैं देख लूंगा जैसा भी होगा. Just try it, guys, and tell me the answer of this one. Just try this one and tell me the answer of this one. Again, it is a very good question. And let me show you the question in this manner. आपको थोड़ा सा proper दिखेगा, है ना जी? So tell me the answer of this one, guys. These are the two trusses in which this particular support is hinge. This one is hinge. This one is hinge, but this one is roller. This one is roller. Okay. शाश्वत बोल रहे हैं सर A and D होगा. Okay. Okay, guys. So let's solve it. Let's solve it. This is hinge support, guys. So we have two reaction over here. Similarly, two reaction over here. So guys, can I write it? What is DSE for this particular structure? DSE कितना होगा जी? Can I write it? DSE is equal to how much? 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. What about DSI, guys? Can I write it? It is M minus 2J minus 3. So how many members is to be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 members to be there. How many joint is to be there, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 joint is to be there, minus 3. Just solve it. अच्छा जी, श्वासत बोल रहे हैं ABD. श्वासत ने पहले AB बोला था, AD बोला था, अब ABD बोल रहे हैं. शिखा AD, सुभाजीत ABD, यावर AC, शिखा ओनली 1. ओके ओके, अच्छा वो तो उसका आंसर दे रहे होंगे, ठीक है जी. 15 minus 2 into 9 minus 3. How much? It is 0. This one is 0. So guys, can I say that this particular structure is what? Statically indeterminate. But it is a stable one. So A is stable, guys, and it is statically determinate nahi hoga. Statically indeterminate. So C is wrong over here. Okay. Now, if we talk about this one, guys, 1, 2, and 3, we have three reaction. So can I say that what is the value of DSE? It is RE minus 3. So again, we have 3 minus 3, that is equal to how much? 0. What about DSI, guys? How many member is to be there? I think internal static indeterminacy is similar to the previous case because the geometry is same, guys. Only the support condition is to be changed over here. So can I say that the member is 15 over here, joint 9 minus 3. So we are getting a value of 0 and overall it is equal to 0. Guys, definitely your B is also a stable one. This particular truss is also stable. So B is also stable and D is statically determinate. That is, all the forces can be determined by using the principle of statics. Yes, definitely. We can use the static equilibrium equation to find out all the forces which are present in the different member over here as well as the support reaction. So A, B, D are the correct answer. अभिषेक शिखा बहुत बढ़िया जी, बहुत बढ़िया. सुभाजीत बहुत बढ़िया. शाश्वत वेरी गुड. वेरी गुड गाइस, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. चलिए जी, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन गाइस, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अगेन इट इज अ एमएसक्यू टाइप क्वेश्चन. ये भी एक एमएसक्यू है. अगेन इट इज अ एमएसक्यू टाइप क्वेश्चन गाइस. एमएसक्यू. Again, it is a MSQ type question, guys. Consider the thrust system below. A force of 3 kilonewton is applied at B. Okay, sir. Check all the answer that apply. More than one answer may or may not be correct. है ना जी? ये बोल दिया गया है. Sir, diagram is not visible. Sir, question not fully visible. No problem, guys. Now you are able to see it. I will show you. This is the figure, guys. This is the figure. This is the figure, and just you have to find the forces in EC, AD, and CB. So it means EC, AD, and CB. We have to find the forces over here. And this particular angle is given to us, guys, which is nothing as it is 30 degree itself. This one is 30, this one is 30, this one is 30, and this particular load is 3 kilonewton over here. But guys, they have not mentioned any of the distance over here. They have not mentioned any distance over here, guys. And it is given in this manner only. कोई डिस्टेंस वगैरह मेंशन नहीं है. You have to just consider about the 30 degree angle over here, and this is the load which is 3 kilonewton. That's it. And you have to find the force in EC, AD, and CB. And this is a MSQ type question. Again, a very good question, guys, in front of you. एक और बहुत ही जबरदस्त क्वेश्चन आपके सामने. Just solve it, guys. Just solve it, guys. Quickly. Now, which concept we have to use over here? We have to find the force in member EC, AD, and CB. Now, generally, guys, if we want to find the forces in only few members, generally we are trying to apply the method of section. But in this case, like this particular question, in this case, they have not mentioned any distance over here. And if you want to use the method of section, then definitely the distance is much required, guys, to solve any kind of member over here. So in place of method of section, you have to use method of joint over here. Then only you are able to find the value of EC force, AD force, and CB force, guys. And it's a very good question. Generally, we are trying to apply what? That is method of section, right? To find out the forces in only few members. But guys, instead of method of section, you have to apply the method of joint over here. Then only you are able to solve it. अभिषेक बोल रहे हैं जी A और D होगा. ओके, देखते हैं जी. चलो बच्चों, सो लेट मी सॉल्व इट. यहां पे मैं सॉल्व करता हूं इसे और आपको बताता हूं. ठीक है जी. नाउ लिसन केयरफुली, गाइस. लेट्स Take the joint B first. Let's take joint B first and draw the FBD of joint B. So let's take joint B. Let's take joint B. So guys, at joint B, we can say that this is the force in this direction, which is equal to how much? FBC. And this one is how much? This one is FAB. This one is 30-degree angle, guys. And this particular external force, which is to be applied at joint B, is equal to 3 kilonewton. And this is our joint B. So first we have to apply the summation Fy is equal to 0 over here. Summation Fy is equal to 0. Can I write it minus 3 minus FAB sine 30-degree is equal to 0. So can I write it, guys? FAB sine 30-degree is equal to minus 3. अरे जी क्या हो जाता है इसको पेन को? Minus 3. So guys, can I write it? FAB is equal to minus of 6 kilonewton, and which is nothing as, guys, it is your compressive one. ये क्या हो जाएगा जी? Compressive FAB. Now let's find the value of FBC. So we have to take the summation Fx is equal to 0. So minus of FBC minus of FAB cos 30-degree is equal to 0. So guys, we have to find the value of FBC over here. So FBC is equal to how much? Minus of FAB cos 30-degree. Just put the value of AB over here, guys. So minus minus will be what? Plus, and cos 30 is equal to how much? Root 3 by 2. So we will get 3 into root 3. 3 into root 3. It is equal to 5.2. 5.2 kilonewton. And this is the force, guys, which is present in BC member or CB member. And it is tensile in nature. So D is correct. Yes, D is correct. What about AB? AB is there क्या? नहीं, AB कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पे. Okay. Now the next member is what, guys? AB we have solved, BC we have solved. Now we have to solve for AD and EC. AD and EC. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So let's take joint A first. Let's take joint A first. Joint A ले लेते हैं बच्चों. Let's take joint A first. Just draw the FBD of joint A. This one is FAC. This one is FAB. This one is, guys, FAD. And this particular angle and this particular angle is equal to how much? It is 30. So this one is also how much? 30, sir. So can I write it? Summation Fx is equal to 0. Yes. So plus FAB cos 30 minus FAD cos 30 is equal to 0. So simply we can write it AB is equal to how much? FAD. So guys, FAD is equal to FAB, and AB is equal to how much? Minus 6 kilonewton. So can I say that, guys, in AD member you may have compressive force over there whose value is equal to 6 kilonewton, and definitely it is true. So C correct, D correct. D is wrong. D will be tension. Wait a minute. Okay. D will be wrong, guys. Yes, because it is compression over here, na. Okay. It is compressive given, ना. यहाँ पे compression दिया है ना जी, है ना, tension नहीं दिया है. No doubt. Definitely. It is wrong. It is wrong. This one is wrong, guys, because it is compression over here and we are getting tension over here. No doubt. Definitely. चलिए जी. Next. What about EC? So guys, if you want to find the EC value, you have to find the value of FAC first. Then you are able to find out the value of EC also. So let's find the value of FAC at joint A itself. है ना जी? जॉइंट ए पे ही सॉल्व कर लेते हैं और हम फाइंड कर लेते हैं एसी का वैल्यू कितना होगा. सो गाइस, कैन आई राइट इट? समीशन Fy इज इक्वल टू 0. समीशन Fy इज इक्वल टू 0. सो FAC प्लस FAD sin 30 प्लस FAB sin 30 is equal to how much? 0. So can I say that FAC is equal to how much? It is minus of 2 times. Can I write it 2 times? Yes. Why, guys? Because FAB and FAD both are same. ये दोनों ही क्या है जी, सेम है. ओके सर. So can I write it? It is 2 times of FAD sine 30. So minus 2, FAD is equal to how much? AD is minus 6. So minus 6 and sine 30, 1 by 2. Cancel it. You will get plus 6 kilonewton as FAC. AC का वैल्यू कितना आ गया जी? Plus 6 kilonewton. Plus 6 kilonewton. AC का वैल्यू आ गया. Now guys, we have to solve the joint C over here. अब हमें joint C को solve कर लेना चाहिए. Joint C को solve कर लेना चाहिए जी. So let's solve the joint C over here. Joint C. Joint C. Joint C, guys. Which is to be like this. This one is what? FAC. And this one is what, guys? FEC. ये क्या हो जाएगा जी? FEC and this angle is 30 degree. So guys, we have to take the summation of FY over here to find out the value of FEC. So can I write it? Summation FY is equal to 0. So FEC sine 30 degree minus FAC is equal to 0. So it is very simple, guys, to calculate the EC value. So FEC sine 30, it is 1 by 2 is equal to AC. AC is equal to how much? Plus 6. So guys, can I write it? FEC is equal to how much? It is 12 kilonewton and it is positive. It means tensile over there. ठीक है जी. So EC is equal to 12. So A, C are correct. B and D are wrong. A and C are correct, guys. B and D are wrong. है ना जी. चलिए जी. Next question, guys. Next question. Again, a beautiful question in front of you, which is based on center of gravity. ये center of gravity पे based question है बच्चों. And again, it is a not type question, guys. We have to fill the value over here. चलिए जी. Let's understand. This is a numerical answer type problem. A plank 6 meter long and weighing 400 Newton has its center of gravity 4 meter from one end. Okay, sir. It is supported near each end and two painters are standing on it. So guys, this is the plank which is given to us, and the center of gravity of the complete geometry or complete structure is at a distance of 4 meter. Is at a distance of 4 meter, right? This is nothing as, guys, this one is CG, center of gravity. Okay, sir. Now it is supported near each end. Two painters are standing on it. One way 500 Newton at its center. So it means this is the center of gravity which is given at a distance of 4 meter, and this is the center of the plank. Center of plank at which one painter is there, guys, whose weight is equal to how much? 500 Newton. And the other way 350 Newton, and it is standing 1 meter from the left end, light end, from the light end. Okay, this one is equal to how much? It is equal to 350 Newton. Okay, sir. Now what they are asking, guys, the force exerted by the support, listen carefully, the force exerted by the support which is closer to the painter, listen carefully, the force exerted by the support which is closer to the painter whose weight is equal to how much? 350 Newton is. आपको ये बताना है कि यहां से बच्चों the force exerted by the support, this one, this force which is closer to the painter whose weight is equal to 350 Newton. So guys, how we can solve it? How we can solve it? How we can solve it? You know that what is the weight of plank? That is equal to 400, and the center of gravity for that particular plank is at a distance of how much? It is 4 meter, and this one is equal to how much? 400 Newton. So just you have to find this particular force which is near to the painter whose weight is equal to 350 Newton. How we can solve it? Just take the summation of moment is equal to 0. Simple, है ना जी? Summation moment at this particular point let us suppose if we take this point guys as B and this point as a A over here. तो क्या distances होंगे जी? We have to calculate it. If we talk about for 350 का distance from B joint, it is equal to how much? B से कितना होगा जी? This one is equal to 5 meter. What about 500 Newton guys? It is at the center. It means this one is 3 meter. If we talk about this one guys, this one is equal to how much? 4 meter वहां से, तो यहां से कितना? 2 meter. Okay sir. Now let's solve it. You will get the answer. He is exactly in the middle. Who? This 500, yes, 500 Newton is exactly in the middle itself. Okay. So submission moment at B is equal to how much guys? It is equal to 0. So can I write it F into how much? This one is 6 meter minus 350 into how much? This one is equal to 5 meter minus 500 Newton into 3 and minus 400 into 2 and it is equal to 0. So guys, we can find the value of F over here. यहां से F का वैल्यू आपको मिल जाएगा. So it is equal to how much? Tell me guys. We are getting a value of 675. Yes, 675 Newton. And this is the correct answer. This is the correct answer, guys. 675 Newton. If we talk about this one, guys, let us suppose this one is F dash. So what is the value of F dash? Can you find it, guys? And it is very, very simple. 500 plus 400 plus 350 minus how much? 675. So this one is equal to how much? This one is 575 Newton. Clear? It is clear, guys, to all of you. Okay जी. So this is all about for today guys. This is all about for today. आज के लिए इतना ही रखेंगे जी. And if you have any doubt, any query, then let me know and I will share you the PDF to the Gradeup Gate ESC Telegram channel guys. You can take that channel or you can subscribe that channel by using the link which is given in the description box itself. Okay. So guys, if you want to join our platform, you can join it. Okay. So in the Gradeup Super guys, you will get the different type of courses like Gear Up, Rank Up and Vision 2022 course. It is basically designed for second year and third year students. And guys, if you want to join, you can contact on this particular number. And you know that guys, we have a big Republic Day sale also. So you can subscribe our channel or subscribe our platform, which is Gradeup Super, for full length syllabus courses as well as full length mock test also guys. You can follow us on Gradeup Super guys by taking the subscription also, right? So these are the star faculties, these are Gradeup achievers guys, and you can take the subscription guys of Gradeup Super so that you will get the benefit of structure live course, India best faculty team, complete doubt resolution, full syllabus coverage, as well as you will get the green card also, in which you are able to give the mock test, which is designed by topper and based on latest pattern of examination. So if you have any doubt, any query, then let me know guys. अगर आपको कोई भी doubt, आपको कोई भी query हो, then let me know. Thank you Shikha, thank you so much. Okay guys, so let's close this lecture, and in the last of this particular series guys, I will conduct a mock test in which we will try to cover all the 4 subjects like your we will try to put the 4 subjects in this particular test, which is our mega mock test guys, in which you will get the questions of RCC, structure, environment and engineering mechanics. So be ready for that guys. We will try to conduct that session. Okay, so thank you so much guys for joining our session, as well as hope you enjoy this particular questions also guys. So let's close this lecture and we will meet on the next lecture, guys. On the next lecture. Till that, bye bye.